Hey, so in this video, I am going to show you how you or a employee of yours can go to your Google Business profile and add photos. And the reason and why you would do this, if you're a service area business and you go to people's homes or businesses, if you take a picture of your work while you're there, anyone can upload a photo to your public Google Business profile. When Google sees a photo uploaded from a geographic location, which that photo will be tagged with, they will be more likely to show your business when people in that area are searching for it. So this is a really cool little hack or tip to get your business to show up in multiple areas around your service area. So just anytime you're on scene, it's very important that you upload it directly from your phone. You don't want to take it somewhere else, edit it, try to make it fancy. It's not so much about the photo as it is about the fact of where exactly you were standing when you uploaded that photo. So Google will see those coordinates tagged, and they'll be more likely to rank you because they can see you've done business likely in that area. So we'll do an example here. I'm going to paste Customized Cleaning LLC. Okay, and so when this pulls up, you want to be really careful because you're going to see probably your website. Like this is their website here. They've got their Yelp page. And then what you're looking for is this. This is going to be the Google Business profile. And you can tell because it's going to have call, website, share, open, closes. It's got all these different things here. And what we're going to want to do, you could just click on the photos, or you could scroll over here to photos. If you click on photos, this is going to show you all the photos they have, or maybe we'll have to click on actually the photos. Let's just click on the photos. There we go. So here's all the photos that are currently there. And you'll see that you have the option here to add photos. And this is someone who's not related to this business at all. You just have to be logged into some Google account, any Google account, any Gmail, business or not. So you're going to go add photos. And then from here, you can just basically click on any photo you want. And we'll hit done. And so at this point, I could hit publish, and that's going to try to add this photo to that website. I don't want to add this one, of course. It's just a background image. So I'm just going to exit out of there, go back to here. But if you do that, in about a day, that photo will show up. It'll be tagged with that location, and that's all you need to do. Now, as far as getting here, any way you want to do it is fine, but you just need to make sure you can find that specific company's business profiles. Like if you clicked on the website, it's not going to help you. You want to make sure you find the Google Business profile on your phone. So here, again, it's going to have these little sliders. You'll see the reviews. So this is the Google Business profile. And just add photos, and then from there, you're good to go.